While Ryan works on the garage build-out, Jennifer is heading into the kitchen to meet with the slide-a-shelf team, who are installing a variety of custom-made-to-fit slide-out shelves within the existing cabinetry.
Is that Bob?
Hey,
nice
Jen.
to meet you in human form. Air fives,
Yeah.
air fives.
It's finally good to meet you.
Okay, so I'm excited you're here because I want to know more about how to install it, how to order it, all the good stuff.
Well, Slide-a-Shelf is a unique company in that all of our product line, our storage and organization products are all custom made to fit. We provide instruction for the customer to measure their cabinets. They go online, they easily can submit their measurements and place their order. We make it to their sizes and we ship it directly to them.
How long does it take to get something like that once you order it?
Our lead time is typically about a 1-week turnaround.
What other fun items did you put in here?
In this particular circumstance, Kaleb has interesting needs, and so we went ahead and did all the lower cabinets with our slide-out shelves. We also wanted to help them get a handle on their trash, so we've got a custom-made trash pull-out. It's actually made to fit, so there's additional space for storage, for bags and cleaners and so forth. We also wanted to encourage recycling, so we went ahead and did another unit over here for them. They would have an opportunity to recycle. Some additional needs that we weren't able to meet with our product is really in the upper cabinet area. What we decided to do was call in a favor, and we contacted the general manager at the Rev-A-Shelf company, and they were kind enough to provide us with some upper cabinet pull downs. This is a great product.
What made you guys want to get involved and help a veteran?
For a long time, Jen, I've had a passion and a deep respect for our military. And the Slide-a-Shelf management team has been looking for ways to support and serve our military. And we really wanted to help Kaleb and Brittany just make their life a little bit easier.
This is going to be awesome and they're going to love it.
Thank you.
I better go do some work, right?
Me too.
We got a makeover to do, Bob.
I'm back.